Hi, this is Kelly O'Kelly with the Oldendorp Group. Welcome to 16 Brooklake Road in Madison. This home offers a great opportunity to live in Madison and enjoy all that the town has to offer. This spacious 3-bedroom, 1 full and 1 half bath colonial rests on almost a 1/4 acre of property and is just minutes to town, train, and top-rated schools. Step inside and you are sure to love the open floor plan and sun-filled rooms. The kitchen features a breakfast bar and opens to the breakfast room and family room that overlooks the large deck and backyard. The dining room is off the kitchen and the living room in the front of the home enjoys the morning sunlight. A perfect room to sit and lay down a funky groove. 3 bedrooms and a full bath are nestled on the 2nd level. Outside, you are sure to enjoy relaxing and grilling on this large deck overlooking the deep, private backyard. A basement and 1-car garage complete this great home. If you are looking for a great opportunity to live in the wonderful town of Madison, this is the home for you. For more information, please reach out to the Oldendorp Group.